The broken home. There is sin in their homes, and they are polluted to the depths of their souls. But I will call upon the Lord to save me, and he will. Psalm chapter 55 verse 15, 16. The broken home has become the #1 social problem of America, and could ultimately lead to the destruction of our civilization. Since the basic unit of any society is the home, when the home begins to break, the society is on the way to disintegration. It is a threat to the American way of life. It does not make screaming headlines. But, like termites, it is eating away at the heart and core of the American structure. It is high time that our so-called experts on marriage, the family, and the home turn to the Bible. We have read newspaper columns and listened to counselors on the radio. Psychiatrists have had a land office business. In it all, the one who performed the first marriage in the Garden of Eden and instituted the union between man and wife has been left out. Prayer for the day. I pray, Lord, for the homes in this beloved country. Without your love and wisdom guiding us, our society will crumble.